I have many problems with my cell phone and the charging socket, what it holds to on so that this doesn't stop again and again and so. Hello, here to Blue Frame video in my channel. I check it out to fix the problem with the charging cable. It is a USB cable type C. Then at some point it's euro that the plug does not go far enough. It's very wobbly and at almost very opportunity makes you slide out again. There is no I've read different theories on the internet and read what they can be, and almost of them say replace the charging socket, maybe. Even I have it repaired, but there is not. It's a very simple trick how to works again that it show you. Now have a lot of fun with it. Here you can see the problem. I will fix the charging cable into the charging socket of my mobile phone, but it's very wobbly and it is not fixed, and the charging doesn't start. But to fix the problem, it's very simply when you know the simple trick. It's Type C charging socket. You can look inside and you can see the problems. You have dust in the socket and wool, maybe sand, whatever. You must make the dirt out of the bag. I can show you how it works. How to do the best in your no case with any metal objects, because it's a risk of short circuit and electricity on it. Yes, you must take wood, not metal. You can use a teeth pin or a ice pin. Important is that is wood. Yeah, you can put it in the charging socket in the back and see what dirt comes out. When you put out the dust and the sand, maybe the wool, the charging socket, it's free and you can put on the cable and it works. It works very good. You have no problem within. Yeah, thank you for watching my video here on YouTube, on Blue Frame Video. When you like it, thumbs up, and we can see us here again.